Hey guys, welcome to another video. Josh here, I hope you're doing well. Today I'm going to be very quickly unboxing the new Bana, metal frame glasses. As you guys know, I've made a number of videos now about the Bana glasses. I absolutely love them. They're great at blocking out blue light. They've got my prescriptions in and they're stylish and very comfortable to wear. So I'm going to be seeing how the new metal frame glasses stack up against them. They're also blue light. They've also got my prescription. So let's have a quick unboxing, review and comparison. So yeah, enjoy. So I'm going to go over to my desk cam right quickly and bang. So as you can see, I've got the box here, very nice box, similar to the packaging for the regular glasses. And when we open it, we can see again, very nice, very compact. You've got the glasses case here, and it's got different case. The other Bana glasses, the regular ones, they've got sort of this type of case. That's soft case. This is more hard, conventional glasses case. And you've got your microfiber cloth as well. And hey, you've got stickers. So Bana, I love my eyes. Yeah, and your eyes are more perfect than Helvetica. Really, guys, come on. Right, back to the unboxing. Right, so yeah, the cheesy joke, the various stickers, yeah, fantastic, really cool stuff. Yeah, and the manual, and that's about it. So it's pretty simple. Now over to the main event. Let's open these. Oh yeah, that's nice. See, they look very, very nice. Very nice. I chose these frames because I feel like they looked the most minimalist. Of course, if you go on their website, you'd find a ton of different frame options, different shapes that would fit your face. Yeah, so this is what it looks like, guys. And like I said, very hard case there. So yeah, I'm going to try them on and we'll do a quick review. Right, so on to the try on. Get those ones off and in with the new. I like them. Again, they fit very nicely on my head. I really like that. I think it is comfortable. Of course, I can see clearly my prescriptions are clearly applied to the glasses, and they do block blue light as well. So they're pretty much the exact same lens as that these ones have, but it's just different. So if you prefer the metal frames, then you love this. Now, just a quick word of warning, because they are metal frames, they do have the advantage that they do not slide off your face. So with the regular Bana glasses, these ones, the La Merée frames, what I did notice with these is after a while, wearing them and looking down, looking in different directions, they did tend to slide off my face just ever so slightly. But with these ones, I've worn them the entire day. I've had these for a while, by the way. I've worn them the entire day, and they don't slide off your face, which is fantastic. However, because again the metal glasses, they do press against your head, so I find the back of my, just over my ear, just about there, tends to hurt after a while when I'm wearing these glasses. Just that sort of slight dull ache. If you wear glasses a lot, you know exactly what I'm talking about. Like, you've got that slight pain, just there, because it's pressing against your head, because it's just so firm on your head. With these, however, I do not notice that, because again, they've got a little bit more slack. As you can see, they bend all the way back like that. These do not, right? They're very rigid. So they're more stable on your face, but they do come with that discomfort after a long time. But in terms of functionality, they do work exactly the same. You don't get headaches anymore from looking at screens and carrying on with your day. They are fairly comfortable to wear. I'm being very pedantic because these are super comfortable to wear. These are just slightly less comfortable again because it's very rigid, but again they do stay on your face, so you won't have any problems with things with your glasses sliding around when you move your head around and such. So yeah, my final verdict: amazing stuff, very stylish as usual. Bana knocking out the park. They feel very premium, very solid, and they're not that expensive, which is actually surprising. So yeah, guys, affiliate link in the description below if you'd like to grab your own pair, and yeah, you won't regret it. And yeah, of course, special thanks to Bana for sending these out. Very cool of them. And yeah, they keep I don't know, man. I'm very impressed with this company. They really changed the game for me when it came to blue light glasses, because I had searched high and low on Amazon, used different versions, different types, spent and burnt tons of money. But yeah, finally found these and they're amazing. So yeah, I love these just as much. Like I said, it's personal preference. Do you prefer plastic frames? Do you prefer metal frames? It depends on your use case. So if you're more person who likes to just put your glasses on and forget about them, these might be for you. But you have to bear in mind that longer term wearing, these are they're too comfortable. They're way better for comfort. These more stable. The lens are practically the same thing, so yeah, they do work just as well. So yeah, guys, that's been it. I hope you enjoyed that, and if you did, thumbs up the video. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit the subscribe button and smash the notification bell so you know when next I release another video, which will be super soon. No long break this time around. And yeah, that's it, guys. I'll catch you in the next one. Till then, as usual, you know it is. Be fantastic. See you around.